Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, November 25th, 2014. Let's jump right into the charts. We'll start off with the usual S&P 500 E-mini futures. The futures are moving higher today by about 3.25 points at the moment to 2,070 and 3/4 per contract. So all in all, futures are higher ahead of the opening bell. Yesterday, the markets were able to carve out another positive day simply on some extremely light volume. But today we do have some economic news out here, and the big news really is that the U.S. economy's third quarter GDP moved up to 3.9% when it was revised. So again, the revision for GDP is 3.9%. That's better than the last number, so I guess the market likes it at the moment. Right now, good news is good news. Bad news is also good news, so it doesn't really matter all that much. All you got to do really in this market is keep an eye on the dollar-yen. As long as dollar-yen holds steady and it really does not fall, the market is fine. Today, dollar-yen has come off the lows pretty sharply, and as long as that happens, the market is okay with it. I don't honestly see a lot of upside in dollar-yen today, but either way, it's holding up right now, and we'll see if it can hold up throughout the rest of the trading day. All right, let's get into some stocks in the news here. There are a lot of equities out here to go over. First one is PANW, which is Palo Alto Networks. PANW, let's type that in again, and you'll see the stock this morning is trading at 115.25. It closed at 113.26, so a good little uptick for Palo Alto. The stock is overbought. It is extended. I would not be touching this equity at all up here at these levels. It can go higher. I'm not saying to short it. If you own Palo Alto, trail your stop loss. If you do not own it, I would not be looking to buy the stock up here at these levels. It is very, very overbought. Here's the stock that we'll be trading today in the chat room. This is Workday. Again, ticker symbol is WDAY. Right now the stock is trading at $84.75. It closed at $92.49. So this is a pretty good move lower. I will have gap levels worked out in the intraday stock chat for us. We will look to trade this equity this morning. Let's take a look at Nuance Communications. This is another stock that we will look to be playing today. Stock right now is trading at $15.96. It closed at $15.31. The $16 level is a ton of resistance, but I have levels for us in case it does go higher. So this one will be on the radar today, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But we will look to be playing this equity. If you want to trade this along with us, please come over, take a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing each and every morning. We have been knocking the cover off the ball with the gap plays each and every day. So come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing there. Again, all of our gap plays are posted up in the morning at 9 a.m. Let's take a look at our next one here, which is Kihu. And this is Kihu 360 Technology. The stock closed at $69.46, trading at $71.80. I'm going to give the stock the upside bias because sometimes it can move a little bit more than most people think. And I'm going to give it a slight upside bias from here. But again, I'll have levels for you in the intraday stock chat today on Kihu Technologies. Right now, I am seeing the $76.45, $76.50 level as being a very, very good resistant zone. So again, but give it a slight upside bias as the market's up. It's moving up, and we'll see how this one plays out. But this stock will be on our radar today. Let's take a look at good old-fashioned Campbell Soup. Ticker symbol is CPB. Stock right now is trading at $44.50. It closed at $44.59. So it moved up, then it moved back down. We'll keep this one on the radar. This could be in play today. A level I really like for Campbell Soup today, if it does get down there, would be around 43.30, 42.30, 42.35. I'm not sure we're going to see that happen, but if the stock got down to that level, right around that $42 area, that's an excellent, excellent support level today. So we'll keep that on the radar. Let's take a look at CHS, which is Chico's Fashion. This is a retailer. Stock closed yesterday at $15.83. It is now trading at $16.05. A level I have for this, and a big, big resistance level at that, is going to be coming up on the equity around $16.85. So Keep an eye on that one. If it does get there, that could be a potential fade play around 1685 for good old Chico's. We'll see if it does get there. Ticker symbol CHS. Let's take a look at designer shoe wear. DSW is the ticker symbol. Right now the stock is trading much higher than where it closed. It closed at 33.65. It's trading up here at 35.76. I am going to have levels for this in the intraday stock chat. We will look to play this one this morning. Again, come on over, take a 7-day free trial. Those levels will be posted up at 9 a.m. Let's take a look at Hormel Foods. HRL is the ticker symbol. Stock is trading at $53.79. Right now, the stock closed at $54.13, so it's a little bit lower than where it closed yesterday. A level I like for Hormel today. A level I like for Hormel today is $51.82. Gets there, that's your play on Hormel today. Long side. Take a look at Tiffany's. TIF is the ticker symbol. Stock right now is trading at 107.50, closed at 105.01. This is very overbought at these levels. I don't have a great resistance point because this is a new all-time high. But again, if you own this equity, you trail your stop loss. If you do not own it, I would not be a buyer up here at these levels. Let's take a look at Cracker Barrel. CRBL. Cracker Barrel. CBRL. Excuse me. This stock making new all-time highs, closed at 121.25, now trading at 125. Did go as high as 127. This is another equity. I would not be a buyer up here. It is up. If you own it, trail your stop loss, but do not look to buy this stock up here. It is way overbought, way extended. This is not an equity I would be stepping in front of at these levels. BRCD. Let's take a look at this one, Brocade. This is a blast from the past. Anybody that traded in the 90s knows this company very, very well. Level that I'm looking at right now, the stock's trading at $11.13, closed at $11.69. Tough one here. So if it comes down, I would probably look at 10.88 as a little minor support. Also a little bit more support around 10.50. And then ultimately I do like $10. If it did get down there, and then $9.75. So you got a bunch of levels. Brocade could be in play today, but remember, it's only a $10 stock, so you're not looking for big moves. You know, maybe 10-cent bounces on these levels. That would be about it. And remember, all the levels given today are all intraday levels, so they're all for scalping. Scalps mean they're just day trades lasting between 10 and 60 minutes. Nothing really more than that. All right, let's take a look here at the gold market. Gold is trading down about $3.20. Gold did sell off after the GDP news, but again, if you want to trade gold, you really just got to look at dollar yen. Dollar yen you can see is upticking. That puts pressure on gold. If dollar yen downticks, that should help gold move higher. That's the way that works. Looking at the crude market today, crude futures are up about 7 cents to $75.82 a barrel. Again, there's really not a lot of motion in crude. If you take a look at the USO, you're going to see that the USO right now is trading right at that 28.76 level, basically right where it closed. So we're not going to make too much out of it. But again, we'll see how this all plays out and shakes out. But there are a lot of stocks out here for a Tuesday before the Thanksgiving Day holiday that are in motion. We've got about 3 to 4 gap plays that will be posted at 9 o'clock in the morning. Take a 7-day free trial. Come on over. You'll see everything that we've been doing regarding the gaps and the morning strategies. And I think you'll be happily and very impressed. So come on over. Take a 7-day free trial there. And really have nothing to lose. You could just observe and watch what we're doing. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.